Hey, I'm Adam Jusko from ProudMoney.com, and in this video I am offering a short review of First Premier credit cards. Now, First Premier offers credit cards to those with bad credit histories. So if you have a bad credit history, you probably know that in order to get credit, you are going to have to pay more than people that have good credit histories. Somewhere along the line, you've done something that has put you in a position where, the major credit card companies aren't going to approve you for their cards. So whether you've defaulted on a credit card or some other type of loan, or had a lot of late payments, or whatever the situation is, obviously your credit score is not ideal right now, and you are looking to get back into the credit card game. And so there are only so many credit cards that cater to bad credit customers. So you end up paying higher fees and you have higher interest rates, and a lot of times you're going to have a fairly small credit line because you are more risky, and banks aren't going to want to give you as much credit until they can kind of see that you can handle it. So you start small, and then if you do well, you can work your way up. So sort of across the board, bad credit cards or banks that cater to bad credit customers are going to operate in that way, okay? That said, First Premier is the worst of all of them. They are going to charge you the highest interest. They are going to charge you the highest fees, and they are going to offer you the smallest little itsy credit lines that you can handle, which are almost useless to you and are very easy for you to then, go over and, potentially get late fees on top of that. So no matter, what your situation is, on, ProudMoney.com, we've got a couple pages. One of them is an unsecured credit cards page for people with bad credit. We also have another page that is secured credit cards for people with bad credit or who don't have any credit yet. And that's a way where you can actually put a security deposit down and sort of get a credit card on training wheels. But no matter what your situation is, check those lists out, and those can give you some other options. Doesn't mean that all those cards are the greatest thing, but in terms of someone that has bad credit, they are better than First Premier. And that is really the message of this video. First Premier is pretty much your worst option if you have bad credit and you want to get back in the credit card game. So look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Please go to ProudMoney.com for other credit card lists like I mentioned, and other personal finance info as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.